For today's inspiration point, we're way out here in western Colorado.
My name is Collin Herr, and I'm hitting the road to meet some of the most incredible artists out there.
Another flight down in another city.
And they are taking me to the locations that inspire them the most.
Nice.
I'm in Seattle's International District.
This is a moment of truth, yeah?
It's going to be a journey like no other.
It's pretty special, my friend. I can see why it's inspiring.
This is Inspiration Point. All right, after a long day traveling, made it here to Montrose, Colorado. And tomorrow morning, we'll head out, find Stuart, and see what he's up to. So I'm way back in southwest Colorado today, and I'm headed to see Stuart Mason. He's a painter and a sculptor. He's actually based in Charlotte, but he comes way out here into the Rockies to find his inspiration, to clear his mind, and to essentially keep his hands busy. And so we're gonna see what he's up to today, what creative project he's gotten himself into, and maybe help him out a bit. Should be fun. Anytime somebody is like, this is my spot of inspiration, and they, it's a big deal for them, it's built up, always exciting to get there and to see it. Cruising into Norwood right now, way up here on the high Rocky Mountain Plateau. And I can already see how Stuart, when he gets here, coming in from Charlotte, it's such a different place.
We're on the outskirts of Telluride. This is one of those places where I come to get quiet. Everything about here is peace, and when the world is too loud, and whether I've got a writer's block, a creative block, or just too many stresses, this is where I'll go. I'll reset here, refine my inspiration, and start rebuilding.
All right, here we are. See some old trucks and trailers, and he said he was in the workshop, so I think it's around. Yep, there it is. He's already cranking.
There he is. Hey,
What's up,
how's
dude?
it going?
Stuart, good to see you.
Good to see you, Collin.
Great to be here.
Good
Made
to
it
have you.
Colorado.
Thanks for coming out.
It's a pretty cool spot. The drive was fun.
It's one of the most beautiful drives that I can say is across the entire United States. You're surrounded by red rocks and juniper and evergreen and aspens and grasslands. It's sagebrush and cacti. It's this diversity between the alpine and the desert. So you really get this cool dynamic between old and new.
What is this here?
I've got a whole bunch of mining equipment.
Yeah.
Colorado is famous for mining, and site specificity is really important in my works. So
Okay.
I've gotten a lot of reclaimed mining equipment.
Wow.
So we've got track.
I was gonna say
and
these are
plate
tracks
steel.
from a excavator or something,
Yep.
huh?
And then those are pinions for hydraulic forks, and all of this will go into a figure that is going to be a hiker or a miner. So really talking about the tradition, the classic nature of where we are. Anytime I'm building, I really take the influence of the surroundings. Pulling material out from nature or your surroundings, that is unique to that area. You have a site specificity just because you're using something from around you. Being able to see the unique components of that material, that is what makes really sourcing materials so special, because I want that storyline to transpire through the entire piece. This is pick and piles, so we've got little bits of graveyard here and there. You'll see some color over here. These are Telluride railings that have been pulled out. I'm thinking that we'll have some more material that we can sift through here and maybe pick something out later.
Oh yeah?
When I would come out here, there was a period of time where I just traveled Colorado in an RV, and I really wanted to figure out where it was special.
Yeah.
And I had my welding equipment, my woodworking equipment, all of my pneumatic equipment. I could go chisel stone
It was all loaded in the RV.
in the RV, and I had 100 foot of cable to go anywhere I wanted.
Wow.
I had just gone through a motorcycle accident. I split my leg, broke my neck, and shattered my hand, and died twice. Had to relearn how to make art, relearn how to walk. Had vertigo for a solid 2 years. And when all this was happening, I just needed to be somewhere so quiet and so remote. I didn't want to go into a doctor to do PT, so I took an artist residency.
Is this always kind of the first stop and where you stay the longest?
This has been my creative haven.
Yeah.
I've spent the longest stint I spent here was about 8 months.
People stay at my house longer than 2 or 3 days, and we have a conversation.
We got some more minor man to build. What I'm gonna need some help with to start is cleaning up and surfacing this guy.
Okay.
And we're prepping it for welding.
You holler at me if my back catches on fire or anything, right?
We'll do it. Sculpture is so much hard work. You're sweating, you're bleeding, you're just drop dead and fatigue. End of the day, sometimes you're just shaking. But that hard work, it validates me. All right, Collin.
Yeah.
While I place this, will you just be present and pay attention? So in case something falls, I don't want you to hurt.
So we're going right, that going on here.
Right here.
Okay, do you want me to hold this side?
I want you to hold the differential gear.
Yep.
And just hold that still.
Oh, I gotcha.
I'm just gonna do a little spot.
Okay.
Weld.
Yep.
Okay.
Good?
Good.
There you go. It's the head.
There's the head.
I like it. That's awesome.
Oh, that looks cool.
Totally see it. That's awesome. Oh, how the arms are going to be.
It really reminds me of like some TV series like Alien Robot coming out now.
Okay.
Stay right there. Close your eyes.
Down the shirt. Felt that one.
Okay. Hold right there.
Yeah, I got it.
And close.
Yep.
You can let go.
We have an arm?
We have an arm.
Wow. Look at that. Coming together, huh?
Yeah.
Got it.
3.
Yep.
2.
Got it. Good.
Okay.
Whoa! Ow. Woo!
What happened?
Lost our head.
Well, lucky it fell that way.
Yeah.
Just a day in the shop.
Perfect. You know,
What am I hearing?
You hear both the pigs now.
Is that the pigs?
That's the pigs.
I gotta go see the pigs. We gotta go see the pigs. Hang on.
All right.
Oh, look at you. Hi. Hi. Aren't you cute? Yeah, you gonna help with the statue? You gonna help with the statue? Yeah? What do you think? Huh? Yeah? Oh, look at you. You're covered in sawdust. You hang out with Stuart here? Yeah. Oh.
Hey guys.
Hey. You came to hang out, huh? Yeah? Yeah, well, I just immediately stopped eating bacon and I'm gonna be getting a picture. You're
and me
new
both.
best friend. I gotta tell the dogs. Oh my God.
Location matters because if you are in one spot and you're taking your inspiration from there and you make something there and you try to do the same thought in another location, you're going to change. So location helps me grow, develop, and change. Ever since getting out here, been looking at the hills, looking at the mountains, thinking about my heart, my energy, what's going on with my friends, my family. It's really an opportunity for you to really kind of look inside of yourself to learn more about who you are.
Whoa, use the knees.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Good shot. Woo. Okay.
As the studio warms up, your muscles warm up, and that all kind of just works with fluidity on how your mind moves in creative cycle. I think I found some replacement head parts.
You got a new head?
Yeah, I got a rotor, got a little diesel engine piston.
Nice. I like this thing. So we're like, this will sit like this.
I'll sit kind of like that. And what I was thinking is maybe going in or like that. And then that will be the front.
Okay. If I look at it,
Let's take a look, yeah.
does that feel like the right
Oh
size?
yeah, that feels like a great scale.
I don't even know if we need the middle thing.
No.
It's like just this, you know?
Yeah,
When it's like in the city park or something,
Yeah.
and the sunlight comes through here, if you can set it right, that would be really cool. Yeah.
oh, that would be awesome. I can just kind of see the sun coming through as like a morning or evening crest.
There you go. All right.
All right, let's do that.
Being here in Colorado versus Charlotte.
I would never be making a minor man in Charlotte. It's like eating food. You're taking in different nutrients.
Yeah.
And like if you look at, if you look through my portfolio and you take a look at the colors or the styles, everything is specific to the surrounding environment.
Really?
Every single thing.
How would you describe being in the shop, working, like being hands-on to somebody who's not here?
Being in this shop, it's how I define freedom.
Okay.
Creativity is my freedom. It's my ground to play. When I have that feeling, my thoughts are gone and it's just creativity. So this place brings that out.
And then you pair that with your skill already, your knowledge, and then materials like this stuff, like we're putting together today, and it just kind of creates this whole world for you, yeah?
Exactly. And the beauty behind this is this stuff's been here 100 years.
Yeah.
This will be here another 100 years. And it will be in a manner that now impacts people with a smile.
I love it. All right, well, let's get this sucker finished.
Let's
What
do
you
it.
say?
Yeah. That'll do.
What do you think?
Bellissimo.
This guy's stout.
He's a solid 500 pounds at this point.
Don't call me to help move it.
Don't call me
whatever
up.
day that is, I'm busy.
Yeah. I think the only thing he needs now is his tool.
You gotta have mining equipment. Do you have?
I found a colonial
wow.
mining pick.
Look at that thing.
That is
Where did you
blacksmith.
found this up here?
Up here in the debris.
There's your inspiration to create a miner, right?
Exactly.
And it's that's only happening up here. That's very cool. Do the honors.
All right,
Take
let's
it
melt
away.
it in.
That's amazing.
He's on his search for glory.
He is. I definitely didn't think I'd be coming out here and finishing a whole statue with you.
Well, Collin, thanks for coming
sure.
out.
Yeah, man, of course. Thanks for letting me be part of it. It's a special place, no doubt. You finish this guy, he'll live in his park somewhere.
Yep.
You're gonna head back to Charlotte with all this newfound Colorado inspiration. So-
Oh yeah, I got a whole new series coming out after this.
All right, well, let me know about it. And send me a picture of that guy when he gets put somewhere.
Will do.
All right, sir.
Cheers. Coming back home I feel welcoming to my community. I feel comfortable in my seat. My hand gets stable. My mind has enough ideas that I don't have to run to one side of the room to think about something, to get to the other side of the room to think about something, because I've been moving so much. Peace is there. I don't need anything other than what I'm about to do.